students, in this video I am going to explain chapter 3 more on Excel 2010. In the junior classes you learn about the software. Now I am going to recall the software. First, what is meant by Excel? This is a spreadsheet program consists of data and information in the form of rows and columns. What is the use of the software? Students, you must have noticed the bills that you have received from the shopkeeper after buying the goods. This bill may be printed on your computer using MS Excel software or may be drawn by hand. So MS Excel is used to do the calculation very easy. So now I am going to explain. So this is the screen of the MS Excel. You already know that one. So now see here, this is the sheet. Sheet means this is the page of the MS Excel. So collection of all the sheet is called the workbook. You already know in a book also collection of pages is a collection of pages. We are telling book. Same like here also all the pages. That is, we can see here not page, we can say sheet. See here each individual box is called the cell. Cell means the point where your row and column is intersect. See here I am clicking here this is the column A, here this is the row. Here row and column intersect. So this is called the cell. See, when it is the cell will be active. When you simply clicking on the cell, the cell will be active cell. There is a cell with a dark boundary is known as an active cell. When the cell become active, then only the cell is ready for entering on data. Another one is each cell has some addresses. This contain the column followed by the row number. See the cell is the intersection of column and row. Another one thing here, two boxes available. Here first one is the name box. Wherever you are clicking in the sheet, the address is displaying in the address box. For example, here I am clicking. See what is the column number E, what is the row number 7. So the name box, the address will be displayed. And here is this is the formula bar. Whatever formula you entering the cell, the formula will be appearing here. So now I am going to explain about what is meant by cell referencing. I already explained each cell has some address, that is a column number followed by the row number. This is called the cell referencing. Cell referencing or cell address is the same. So now I am going to explain what are the different types of cell referencing. What is the use of that one? What is meant by cell reference? A cell reference means how a cell address behave in the formula when it is copied from one cell into another. That is, I already explained that one. Every cell has a name which is called the address, which is made up of row part and column part. A cell reference consists of column letter followed by a row number. The cell address only contains the column and row number only. It is called the relative referencing. The Excel, this is the default reference in the MS Excel. See here in this page in relative referencing, see the cell reference in this type is normal cell address like A1, C3, H5. This is the relative cell reference. Only in the address part contain the column letter followed by a row number. Type is absolute referencing. An absolute reference is specified by using the dollar sign along with the column and the row number. Here see the example. For example, $B, $4. Here both the part contain the dollar sign. This is called the absolute referencing. Using this dollar sign, we can fix the location. Once you set the location of the address, further we cannot change that one. It is called the absolute referencing. And the next type is the mixed referencing. Here, so one part of cell address is a relative and another is the absolute. That means either the column or row part contains the dollar sign. See this example. For example, $B4 is a mixed cell reference with absolute column. Here see only column part contain only dollar sign. The next example $4. Here row part is relative and column part is absolute. Here column part 4 only contain dollar sign. So these are the three types of cell referencing. And the next topic I am going to explain function. What is meant by function? Function of predefined commands that act on a cell or range of cells and perform some particular operation quickly. A function is a predefined formula that perform calculation. In maths also you are using the formula, na? But here in the Excel we are telling us formula as a function. Excel provide a variety of functions. Here in all the function, that is a formula, has three rules. Keep it in your mind. See that all the function have only two parts. One is the function name, another one is the argument. Here function name is what formula you are going to apply in the cell, and the argument is cell reference, from which value to which value you are going to apply the formula. And the next rule is the arguments are normally given within the round bracket. You have to use only within the round bracket only you have to specify the argument value. Another one is the all the formula, that is the function begins with the equal sign. These are the three important rules when you are applying the formula in the MS Excel. The Excel, different types of variety of functions are available. Just statistical function, max and trigonometric function, text function, date and time function. Student, next class I will explain all these functions one by one. Thank you.